All right, the first question is, how do you make a text bold? How can we do bold in HTML? Okay. All right, Khadija.
How you can make a text bold in HTML is like so you do this the marks of the right B inside after to close it.
Okay, all right, cool. Thank you so much. Okay, you put the less than and you put B inside and you close it, yeah, with greater than. So well done, that is good, Khadija. Well done. So shall we give Khadija 1 point? Okay, let's see. Make it fun. Khadija 1 point. Okay, all right, cool. Second question, okay, second question, okay. How do we make a text italics? If you want to make it italics, Jimmy.
We put opening brackets I and then close the brackets.
Thank you, Jimmy. On point for Jimmy as well. Let's see. So, okay, I will be calling the first person that raised their hand anyway. So for now, so let's see. And but okay, but we'll see. Then after that, I was also called the other person that also raised their hand. So that me, Khadija 1 point, Jimmy 1 point. Okay. All right. The next question. Okay, this will be a bit difficult, a little. Okay. How do we make comments? How do you do comments in HTML? Okay, Andrew.
Use a hashtag.
Oh, that is for Python, okay, and C#, not for HTML. HTML is different. Okay, Jimmy.
Is it the one where you put like before you write anything, you put like the opening brackets P?
No. Okay. All right. Well done. Nice try. Okay. Jed.
You put the brackets, the exclamation mark, and the 2 dashes.
Thank you. How do you close it?
With the closed brackets.
Okay. I thought I would give you 2 points, but think about it. How do you close the comment? How do you close the comment? If you're able to if you're able to say so.
Okay. So you do 2 dashes and then the greater sign.
Okay, all right, cool. Thank you, Jed. So 2 points to Jed. That is good. Thank you. So, okay. All right, brilliant. Okay. And next question is, this will be easy anyway. So how do we do paragraphs? Okay, all right, Khadija.
How you do paragraph in HTML how to do paragraphs in HTML is use the less than sign, then put the P inside, after put the greater than sign and close it. That's how you close it.
Okay, well done. That's good. Okay, all right. So, okay, I'm going to lower your hands again. So, yeah. So, okay, all right. So I know that's one. Okay. All right. This should be easy as well. Okay. Next question. How do we do headings? Joshua?
What did you say? How do we do edits?
Headings. Yeah.
You use a print statement and then use brackets and then an apostrophe.
Okay, nice try, Joshua. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. So, okay. Okay, Khadija now.
How you can do it is for the heading is bracket H1 and close it with another bracket.
Okay, all right, cool. That is it. Thank you, Khadija. So, okay. All right. So another 1 point for you. All right. So another question.
Everyone has like terrible later.
Okay. All right, cool. And this is a bit, yeah, this is a little difficult anyway. So how do you do break in HTML, David?
Less than, BR,
Okay.
greater than, and then.
Thank you, David. I know that will be 2 points for you. So because it's not that easy. So okay. All right. So okay, next question. Okay. Okay, all right. So this is another big one as well. Okay. If you want to put title in your HTML code, how do you do that? Okay. All right. So I'm going to spread it anyway. So let's see. Okay, we'll start with Jumi. I'm not going to say the answer. And then okay, Jumi.
So you put opening brackets, put title, and close the brackets, and then you put whatever you want to write between it, and then you put an opening brackets slash then the title. You put title, then you close the brackets.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, well done, Jumi. So Khadija, anything to add?
What I was gonna say is that you do the bracket of the right title, close it after you write what you want your title to be. After you have a bracket, after you have a dash, after you write title inside, after you close it with another bracket.
Okay, it's still the same as Jumi said anyway. So Jumi, oh sorry, Joshua, do you have anything to add? Okay, all right. There's something I'm expecting someone to add, so you guys can lower your hands. Okay. Okay, Joshua.
I was going to say that when you're putting on your HTML, you do a less than sign, then you put title, then you do a greater than sign, and then put whatever you want in it. Then you do a less than sign and then put slash, and then you put title, and then you do greater than sign.
So I know what it is.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Joshua. That yeah, you're right. But that is also similar to what Jumi said. Anyway,
So can I say what it
another
is?
thing I'm looking for, David Elvis.
You have to put like head around it, so it's at the top. It's like
Thank you. That is what I'm looking for. Extra mark to you, David. 1 point to David as well. So yeah, so it has to be in the head. Okay, that is brilliant, guys. So this is really okay. All right. So and for okay, another question, right? Okay.
Need to know.
So I'm going to give this one will be a big mark, okay? A big mark to anyone that actually get this one. So okay. Every HTML, okay. So okay, don't raise your hand, just for it. I'm gonna put minus. I'll give you minus if you don't get it. So don't just raise your hand. Okay, all right. every HTML code will have these tags. Every HTML code, you have these tags, okay? You need to name them. What are these tags that every HTML code should have, okay? All right, so we're going to name one, okay? Just say one, then we'll move to another person, okay? Jimmy.
You need a like the brackets with HTML inside.
Okay, all right, cool. That is good. That is one. Jimmy, 1 point. Okay. All right, David. Another thing.
You need the body tag.
You need the body tag. Thank you. That's another David Elvis. So, okay, that is 1 point as well. Okay. Dami Larry, what else do we need?
I was gonna say brackets is one.
Okay. Which brackets?
Like in this one.
Okay, all right. I'll give you 1 point, yeah, because of course every HTML tag will have that anyway for all the tags anyway. So you have to have that bracket. So okay, that means Larry 1 point as well. Okay.
Sir?
Okay. All right. So next person, Khadija.
Some of them need the dash.
Dash. I'm not sure. So it's not, yeah, it's not compulsory that you have a dash. Yeah, it's not compulsory. There are still different things that, yeah, you will put on any HTML code. Yeah, not dash. You might not have a dash. Okay, let's move to Jed. Okay.
I think body.
And someone already said body. All right.
Head.
Okay, all right, yeah. Ed is another one.
So
Okay.
you missed someone.
What did I miss?
Andrew.
No, the next person is Andrew on my list.
Sir,
Andrew?
you missed me.
P.
I've already called you, Joshua.
Oh.
Andrew?
P. Paragraph. Oh.
Not really. Yeah, paragraph is okay, but not like every HTML might not have paragraphs. You don't need, yeah, paragraph for everything, okay? So, but yeah, paragraph is good as well, but not like every HTML should have a paragraph. Oh, that's good anyway, okay? All right, so Ayomide.
The title tag.
The title tag, yes, that's another thing. Every HTML should have a title tag, but though sometimes you might leave it anyway, but it's good. So I'll give you 1 point for that. It's also some of the things that is important as well. Okay, 1 point. Okay, Tara. Tara. Okay, Farid, please.
So
It can have an italic tag or bold tag, and sometimes you can have the like type of size of the text, like A1, A2, etc., etc.
Yes, that's right. That's right. You are right. But I'm talking about what you will see in every HTML website. Okay. Yeah, but what you said is right. So some of them will have, I'm talking about what is common to everybody, to every website, that if you look at every website, you will see them. It's so important. They are common. Okay. All right, cool. Thank you for that.
I'm back.
Okay, Tara.
Which H1B? H1.
No, yeah, you might have some website without H1 as well. Yeah.
No. So can I have number 10?
Before, hold on. So okay, I've called Ayomide before, I've called Farid before. Okay. All right, Khadija again.
So another one that you can see in BR.
Oh, not really, because yeah, so you don't need to have PR in all the tags in all the websites anyway. So okay, all right. So one thing I know maybe you guys are not, yeah, there's something I'm also looking for as well.
Please.
So Okay, all right. Has anyone got any other thing to say? You can shout it out. Let's see.
Main.
Paragraphs.
Main.
No, not paragraph.
Element.
Main.
Okay,
Element.
Main. Main.
okay, all right. Farid.
Main.
Elements.
Sorry?
So your HTML tag can have like different elements for that could refer you to other websites.
Oh, no. That is not common to every website. Okay, yeah. So,
A dash
okay,
tag.
all right.
The link one to link a
No,
ref.
no, that's not common. You can have some website without links as well. Okay.
The B tag.
Khadija again. Sorry.
One
Question.
dot HTML.
No, okay. I think someone already said HTML as well. So one thing that you guys are missing.
The P tag.
Main.
No, yeah. Okay. Who's no? Okay, who's me? Damilare. Okay.
An exclamation mark or a dash.
That is one. Of course, every HTML will have exclamation tag. Exclamation is there anyway. So you have the doc and everything. So, but it's not really common for us. Yeah, there's some of them, but I'll give you 1 mark, Damilare, for that anyway. So, but yeah, that's another thing that sometimes common as well. Anyway. Okay, Jed.
H1.
H1 is, yeah, you might have H1, but it's not common like that. It's not like, yeah, say, yeah. Damilare is 1 point, okay. All right. Tara, do you still have anything? Okay. One thing that you guys are missing.
I have
Okay.
something to say.
Okay, Farid. Okay.
The underline tag, because most HTML links are underlined.
Not really. So okay, now I'll tell you something what you guys are missing. So yeah, it's so funny anyway, because one, when you have body tag at the beginning, right? What do you have at the end of it?
A close
stop.
tag.
Yeah, the closing tag of the body, right? And also you also need to have the closing tag of the
HTML.
HTML as well. Everyone, of course, you need to have that slash, greater than and slash. But you guys have done very well anyway. So well done. So okay, next question. How do we make a text? Okay, all right. So let me lower. Khadija, lower your hands, please. So, okay, how do you make a text important? David.
So I didn't hear your question.
You have to put like less than, strong, and then greater than, and then to close it.
Brilliant. That is brilliant. Okay, that's brilliant. So, David Elvis. Okay, 1 point. Okay, all right. So another question. Okay, how do we? Okay, guys, lower your hands again. Okay, how do we identify a deleted text? A deleted text. Okay. This time around, if I call you, if you don't get it, minus your mark, okay? If you already have one before. All right, so it's very, very important, okay? And this one, I'm going to lower your hands again, okay? So this one, so you need to be sure about it, okay? You need to be sure about it, yeah. So, and because it's 2 points, okay? Deleted text, okay? How do you do deleted text, okay? Jimmy.
So first, like when you highlight your text, when you like make your text important, you can, so when you put the P, you put you put the brackets, and you put DEL, which is like short for delete. Then maybe you can put this text is like deleted or something, and then you close it with the slash inside, and you close it again with the slash with the P and inside it.
Okay, all right, okay. Khadija, I'm coming back to you, Jimmy. Khadija.
How you can make a deleted text is that you have the less than thing after you write DEL, after you close it with the greater than, after you have a dash in the middle, if you want to, after you write deleted text or anything.
Okay, all right, I'm coming back to you again. Okay, brilliant. Okay, Tara.
How you make a deleted text, that you need to put the dash and put DEL and the dash again and put this text is deleted, and then put the dash again and the slash and the DEL and the dash again.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, Damilare.
I can't really say it, so I'll just type it.
Okay, no, I want you to say it because I know everybody can type it. I want you to say it. Okay.
Okay, it's like some sort of dash thing, and then there's a slash, and then I type DEL, then end it with another dash.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, David.
You have to put the DEL tag and then also put the INS tag to like say that this text is like deleted, replaced deleted.
Okay, all right. Okay, you guys are close. Okay, I'm gonna give okay, all of you guys 1 point, but there's something I'm actually looking for anyway. So
Isn't it D?
Is it close tag? Do you have to close it?
No. It's how you guys explained it actually. How do you do it exactly, right?
You
If I say I
you
would
start with
back.
opening brackets P.
Okay.
Then you start with opening brackets P.
Okay,
and
all
you
right.
close.
Jimmy, let me cut you short on that. Sorry. You don't need the P
Well-
actually, right? So that's what I want to correct on,
Is
on
it
what
bracket
you said.
DEL?
I think hold on 1 minute. I think David said insert. You don't need insert with it. Okay, so that's why I didn't give you the full mark. Okay, this is a big mark. Okay, so but you guys you got it, but there's something that you put in inside, or like Damilare is doing the end instead of the beginning as well. I want how you're going to do it, opening tag, yeah, and everything that you need to put inside. Okay, so. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just put the mark out quickly. So, Khadija, okay. Another 1 point for you. Okay, Tara, 1 point. And Damilare, 1 point. And David, 1 point. Okay. Okay, Farid, you got anything to add or?
Sorry, I didn't mean to put my hand up.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, all right. So, okay, you guys can lower your hands. Okay, only raise your hand if you got anything. Yeah, you think, yeah, I know how to do it now. Okay. Okay, but this time around, if you don't get it, I will remove your mark. You need to be sure. Okay, you need to be really sure. Jumi and Khadija, are you guys okay? All right, cool. Okay. What I'm expecting you to say, right, is you need the del tag, okay, which is less than, DEL, greater than, and then you put the text that you want to delete inside, and then you close it with the closing del tag, which is slash the less than slash DEL, then greater than. That is
That's
it.
what
That
I
is
said.
everything. Yeah.
That's
But
what I
you
said.
No, because you put paragraph within that. You don't need paragraph. Do you get it now? And Damilare, you added what's it called? You use the end tag instead of beginning tag. Do you get it now? That's why I think, yeah, I just gave you all of you 1 more point anyway. So okay, we're going to move to the next one. Okay, so ensure that you get it right as well. Okay, so and if I want to do hyperlinks, okay, how do I do it? You need to be sure now, okay, because this is a 5 mark, okay. Hyperlinks, how do I do hyperlinks? David, are you sure? Are you really sure? This is big mark. I'm gonna remove mark from you.
Yeah,
What's
no,
the question?
I'm ready.
how do you do hyperlinks? How do you do hyperlinks? Okay. All right, David, go for it.
Okay, so less than,
Okay.
then A,
Okay.
and then like href,
Okay.
then equals,
Okay.
then in like speech marks, put the link like www.whatever.com.
Okay.
Then close the speech tags.
Okay.
And then put greater than,
Okay.
and then put like whatever like you want the hyperlink to appear as on your website.
Okay.
And then put closing tag for like the A. So less than / A greater than.
That is impressive. That is impressive. Well done. That you
correct?
actually got everything that that's there to be said anyway. So 5 points
Well
for you.
done.
Yeah, so that was really, really good. So yeah, well done. So okay, all right. That is impressive actually. Yeah. So okay. All right. So the next one is okay. Another thing that we're going to do now. How do I add colors to my text? Okay, how do I add colors to my text? Okay, Jumi.
So when you put like your HTML, the title,
I didn't get you. Jumi? Jumi. Okay, I think we lost Jumi there. Okay, maybe she's going to be back very soon. Khadija.
How you can do colors in HTML text is you have the less than after you have front colors, after you have the equal sign, exclamation, two like big marks after you close it.
Okay, all right. Okay, you guys, you are close. Okay, let's go on. Okay, David. Okay.
So less than, and then
Okay.
like P or like whatever tag or like hate, yeah, and then
Okay.
style, then
Okay.
equals, then speech marks, then color spelled the American way because you spell it the other way, you get it wrong. Then what's it? Colon, and then like the color you want, and then semicolon, and then close the speech marks, and then put greater than, and then like you put whatever you want the text to be, like you want this text and whatever, and then you close the P tag so it's less than / P greater than.
Okay, all right, brilliant. Thank
I
you
know.
so much. Yes, thank you so much, David. So I'll give you 2 points for that. To be honest, maybe I'll give you 3 points. That is impressive. Then, okay, Khadija, I'll give you 1 point for that. Well, which I think is also good as well. Thank you. So, and then Jimmy would also have 1 point as well. So, okay, all right, cool. You guys are really, really fantastic. Oh, to be honest, I'm really enjoying it. I thought it's going to be only for a few minutes, but okay, should we go? Should we stop? Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop here. Okay, all right, cool. It's really good. Anyway, so okay, so can I have someone? Okay, David or Joshua, can you help me? Yeah, calculate all the points. So I think I have there may be 5 people that are consistently contributing, which I think is really good.
Oh,
So
cool.
yes.
A bit down. You put my name as like just David, not the Elvis. So like
Yeah, it's only every David is you. I mean, there's no other David.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So David Emmanuel, please, can you? Every David is David Elvis anyway. So there's no other David. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right, cool. Okay, all right, cool. So all right, so today is really So we are already kind of 40 minutes gone now, but it's really interesting. Okay. Before we start, any question? Okay, any question? We're going to start one for today quickly. Okay, we're going to go to our replics, okay, right now. So today we're going to do background colors, okay? Background colors, okay? How do we do background colors? Maybe I should even ask. Does anyone know how to do background colors? Let's ask that question. Maybe that's another 10 points for anyone. Anyone, 10 points. Background colors, 10 points. 10 points. Going. Damilari, oh yeah, give it a try.
You said background colors, right?
Yes.
I'll say, is it
All right, so don't worry,
less
don't worry,
than
don't worry. No,
H1?
don't worry. I think, yeah, so don't worry, because I don't
Can I
want anyone.
get though?
Yeah, no. All right,
Please.
so don't worry, because the time is already gone, so it's even good time for you to sort and Google it out and know how to do it. So, all right, so we're going to, okay. Do you want to say it again? Okay, I'm gonna ask, okay, that's fine. So, okay, Damilari, try again, let's see.
Is it less than H1, then a style, then equal, and then speech mark, background, dash, color, colon, and then whatever color you want, and then brackets, the number in, and then close the brackets, semicolon, speech marks, and then greater than.
Okay, all right, okay. All right, Farid, I'll come to you, Damilari. Anyway, Farid.
Well, an easy way to do it is just but I forgot the names, but like those crocodile things, and put mark and then close it. So if I will highlight yellow.
Okay, all right. So I'm not sure about that. Maybe you might show me anyway.
Well,
But
I know. So
yeah,
I know.
okay. All right. 1 minute, guys. Raise your hand. I'll call you when the time comes. Okay. All right, David.
So is it it's gonna be in the body tag, so it's gonna be less than body, and then like how we were doing the text, you put style, and then equals, and then speech marks, and then you put background, like the little dash thing, it's like hyphen, I think, then color, American way, then colon, then whatever color you want, semicolon, and then close speech marks, and then greater than. And to make it so it sounds like I'm not cheating, I did code camp like ages ago and I still remember it.
Okay. All right, cool. Well done, David. Okay, all right. Khadija.
So how you can do background, so you can less than, after right, body style, equal, speech marks, background, background, the dash after color, the 2 dots after whatever color you want, the close speech mark after the greater sign.
Okay, all right, cool. Well done. So yeah, I think Damilari, I think you actually said a different way, but which I think is also right as well. So I'm gonna give you 5 points, and David as well 5 points for, which I think is also great as well. And who was the last person? Who was the last person that spoke as well?
Khadija.
Who spoke just now? Is it Farid, right? Or Khadija. Okay, yeah, Khadija. Okay, yeah. And I think you are also right as well. Anyway, so well done. Okay. Cool. So today we're going to be impressive. So well done. Okay, all right. 1 minute. Let me stop the live recording.